Ever found yourself staring at a mountain of receipts, invoices, and expenses, wondering if there's a magic wand to make it all disappear? Or maybe you're a budding entrepreneur, juggling a million tasks, and the thought of managing your business finances sends shivers down your spine. You've heard about QuickBooks, the big name in accounting software, but the question burning in your mind is, can I actually use QuickBooks for free? Let's be real, the word free is like a siren call, especially when you're starting out or running a small business. You're trying to save every penny, and the idea of a powerful accounting tool without a price tag is incredibly appealing. But is it too good to be true? Is there a catch? Is there a secret handshake you need to know? We're going to dive deep into the world of QuickBooks today and uncover the truth about its free offerings or lack thereof. We'll explore the different versions, the hidden gems, and the things you absolutely need to know before you make a decision. Because let's face it, understanding your finances is crucial, and you don't want to get caught off guard by unexpected costs or limitations. Think about it, you're trying to track your income, expenses, and maybe even inventory. You need to send invoices to clients, generate reports for tax season, and keep a clear overview of your financial health. You've heard QuickBooks is the answer, but you're wary of subscription fees and hidden costs. You're not alone. Millions of small business owners and freelancers are asking the same question. Now, let's get one thing straight from the outset. The full, robust versions of QuickBooks, the ones packed with all the bells and whistles, are subscription-based. QuickBooks Online, QuickBooks Desktop, and QuickBooks Self-Employed all require a monthly or annual fee. These are the powerful tools that let you manage complex accounting tasks, track inventory, handle payroll, and generate detailed financial reports. So, where does this free idea come from? Well, there are a few nuances that often get misinterpreted as free access. First, there's the free trial. QuickBooks offers a free trial for its various online versions. This is a fantastic way to test the software, see if it fits your needs, and get a feel for its features. Typically, these trials last for 30 days, giving you ample time to explore the platform. However, a free trial is just that, a trial. It's a temporary window, not a permanent solution. Once the trial period ends, you'll need to subscribe to continue using the software. It's like test driving a car. You get to experience it, but you don't get to keep it without paying. Second, there are limited free tools and resources. Intuit, the company behind QuickBooks, offers some free tools and resources on its website. These include calculators, templates, and guides that can be helpful for small business owners. However, these are not standalone accounting solutions. They are supplementary tools designed to support your financial management, not replace a full-fledged accounting software. For example, you might find a free invoice template or a tax calculator. These are useful, but they don't provide the comprehensive accounting capabilities of QuickBooks Online or Desktop. They're more like appetizers, not the main course. Third, there's the QuickBooks Self-Employed mobile app. While the full version of Self-Employed requires a subscription, there's a basic functionality available on the mobile app that allows you to track mileage. This can be useful for freelancers and independent contractors who need to track their business mileage for tax purposes. However, this is a very specific feature, and it doesn't offer the full accounting capabilities of the paid version. Now, let's talk about the different QuickBooks offerings and what they entail. QuickBooks Online is a cloud-based accounting solution designed for small businesses. It offers various plans, each with different features and pricing. It allows you to manage invoices, track expenses, generate reports, and connect to your bank accounts. It's accessible from anywhere with an internet connection, making it convenient for businesses on the go. QuickBooks Desktop is a desktop-based software that you install on your computer. It offers similar features to QuickBooks Online but is installed locally. It's often preferred by businesses that require more control over their data or prefer not to rely on an internet connection. QuickBooks Self-Employed is specifically designed for freelancers and independent contractors. It simplifies tax preparation by helping you track income, expenses, and mileage. It's tailored to the unique needs of self-employed individuals. Each of these versions requires a subscription. There are no free, full-featured versions of QuickBooks. However, they offer different pricing plans, allowing you to choose the one that best fits your budget and needs. So, If you're looking for a comprehensive accounting solution, you'll likely need to invest in a subscription. But don't let that discourage you. QuickBooks offers a range of features that can save you time and money in the long run. Think about the time you spend manually tracking expenses, creating invoices, and preparing reports. QuickBooks automates many of these tasks, freeing up your time to focus on growing your business. It can also help you avoid costly errors and ensure compliance with tax regulations. Moreover, QuickBooks provides valuable insights into your business finances. It generates reports that show your income, expenses, and profit margins, allowing you to make informed decisions. It helps you understand where your money is coming from and where it's going, enabling you to identify areas for improvement. 1. For example, you can use QuickBooks to track your sales trends, identify your most profitable customers, and analyze your expenses. This information can help you optimize your pricing, streamline your operations, and improve your bottom line. If you're still hesitant about the cost, consider the potential return on investment. A good accounting system can save you time, reduce errors, and improve your financial management. It can help you make better decisions, grow your business, and ultimately increase your profits. However, if you're on a very tight budget and only need basic accounting functionality, you might consider alternative options. There are free accounting software alternatives, but they often come with limitations. They might lack advanced features, offer limited support, or have restrictions on the number of transactions or users. For example, you might find free spreadsheet templates or basic accounting software that allows you to track income and expenses. However, these options might not offer the same level of automation, reporting, and integration as QuickBooks. Ultimately, the decision of whether to use QuickBooks or a free alternative depends on your specific needs and budget. If you need a comprehensive accounting solution with advanced features and reliable support, QuickBooks is a worthwhile investment. If you're on a tight budget and only need basic functionality, a free alternative might suffice. But remember, free isn't always free. Sometimes, the cost of using a free tool is the time and effort you spend manually managing your finances. Or it could be the lack of features that ultimately hinder your growth. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.